Did you know Gamdias makes computer cases that make any novice capable to build that sexy, sleek, eye-catching gaming PC? It's true, with preloaded RGB cooling fans, and even go the extra mile with Velcro cable management straps. If you want to know more, here's the sexy Gamdias Athena P1 mid-tower gaming case built by Athena P1 mid-tower PC case. Gamdias. It's not that light. I think that might be a quality case. Come on, baby. So this is a tempered glass. Yeah, this has RGB underglow as well. This case is supposed to be really cool. The Gamdias Athena P1 mid-tower. Alright, so we have a perforated mesh front panel. That's great. 4 built-in RGB fans, ARGB. They're all addressable. And there is underglow strip underneath. Looks like it might be under there. That's cool. This thing looks built tough, guys. So this is a cable cover shroud, so they don't have to see all your cables coming out. That's really cool. I like that. Comes complete with a hardware box where you'll get this vertical GPU stand if you want to go that route. We got cables, we got motherboard screws, we got all kinds of great stuff in here. Check that out. That's awesome. That's awesome. That bracket. You'll need additional stuff, I imagine, to make it vertical, because those are not vertical. But you have the option. So we got a magnetic dust cover. We got all this. We got USB 3.0. We can change the LEDs with that button. Type C, USB 3.0. You got your headphone jack, your microphone jack, USB 2.0, reset button, power button. Very cool. Look at that magnetic. Got the cable cover shroud. That is sweet. I love that color. Cyberpunk yellow. And we got 4 fans in here, already pre-installed, all ARGB. And you got down here, you got the underglow RGB. That's gonna be so sweet. I can't wait to build this. It supports mini ITX, micro ATX, and ATX motherboards. And over here, we're going to hide the power supply and all the cables, except for the good part of the power supply. Ours is RGB, ours is Gamdias, so it's going to go sweet. It's going to look so good. I can't wait. About to start it right now. So my buddy sent me over a gigabyte motherboard with an i5 6600 inside. We're going to use this for our build. Takes DDR4. I got 2 sticks of these Amazon cheapies, OWL RGB, 2 sticks of 8. So, whoever ERP is, we're ready. See? It says right there, ERP ready. Yep, ERP ready. Alright guys, so I guess the first step here would be to set up the CPU cooler. Gamdias liquid cooler, all in one. And they make some quality products, guys. In case you haven't checked them out, go to gamdias.com. You're going to see all this cool stuff. Look how pretty that is. It's an ARGB addressable through the main board or wired controller. PWM controlled dual high performance 120mm fans. White edition set up to match your rig. 30 light effects. Both 3D infinite loop and fans. And if you're using Intel like I am here, you can see the marks on them. Different ones for Intel. I'll adjust this out. But for mine, they're supposed to all be in. Just like so. Excuse me. Then we're going to flip over the board. We'll set those in just like that. Flip that board over. Then you got to get your other bag of screws like this. And we're looking for these guys threaded at both ends. This end has a thermal plate. I guess it just doesn't scratch your motherboard. So you want to use that side there. Go ahead, get that one started. Reach in the bag, grab you another one and start the other side. Get these all snugged up. So once we got these in place, we want to set up the cooler part itself. So we're going to need these tiny little screws for the plate, 2 plates that go on here, which would be those guys right there. Alright, so you want your little sticker right here. So it's going to sit on top of this plastic, just like this. And then you're going to put the screws in through the bottom. So you get these nice and snug. Don't over tighten them. Break that plastic. And for the other side, same thing. Snug those up. What you should end up with is this going fit in here. Which it looks like it does. If all goes right, that's what you should end up with. I think I'm just going to go ahead and install the RAM now. Be a nice tight fit. Alright, so where we're at, we prepped the motherboard, we prepped the CPU cooler. Now the last thing to prep is just put this CMOS battery in it. I have no idea how old these are. There we go, motherboard prep. Now let's put the case to it. Let's build a PC. Alright, so with the motherboard in, check out this Gamdias Kratos M1 750 bronze. Oh, she's a beauty. Look at this. You can change the lighting with this. RGB fan. She's nice. Nice and heavy, solid. I can tell you're getting quality. With the hardest part of the build out of the way, the rest is just connecting wires, hard drive, and cable management. For my GPU power plant, I found this MSI GTX 1080 8GB graphics card on Facebook for $100. It should be great for 1080p gaming, and then we pull the sticker from the gorgeous Gamdias CPU cooler. Wow, looks so cool. There's nothing more satisfying than seeing the birth of your new gaming PC. So if you like any of these Gamdias PC components, check them out at Gamdias.com. Gamdias hits it out of the park with this case. You get quality. My components are staying cool. The RGB wiring was mostly done. Thumb screws made the case mostly toolless. You can't see any out of place wires. Gamdias has such great PC components, I would highly recommend to anybody. If you made it this far, thank you. And if you have your favorite PC components you'd like to share, meet us down in the comments. We'll talk about it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.